Before the engines roared through the streets of Charming, before the brotherhood, the betrayal, and the blood, there was a cast that captured the outlaw spirit like no other. Jax Teller, the conflicted son torn between loyalty and legacy. Gemma, the fierce matriarch who ruled with both love and vengeance. Clay, the ruthless leader whose power came at a price. And alongside them, Tig, Chibs, Bobby, Juice, Tara. Each one brought heart, pain, and unforgettable moments to the ride. Sons of Anarchy wasn't just a show. It was a family, a tragedy, and a revolution on television. Now, Golden Memories takes you back to where it all began, the faces, the moments, and the passage of time. Let's look back at how these legends of Sam Crow have changed and remember the legacy they left behind. From Jax Teller's rise and fall to the unforgettable faces who made Sons of Anarchy a story about brotherhood and redemption, their legacy lives on. We hope you enjoyed this Golden Memories tribute, a look at how time has changed the cast, but never the impact they left behind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more classic cast journeys, only here on Golden Memories.